In this video, I'll be showing you how to change your side air vents on a 2005 to 2010 Honda Odyssey. This is if you have broken vent pieces that's not allowing you to move it correctly. The vent has no screws and no wires attached to it, so you would use a plastic trim tool to remove it. It wasn't budging with the plastic trim tool, so I decided to use a flathead. Just be careful with a flathead because it can leave scratches.